Hi, I'm Ted, and this is another product review from Sleep Right Solutions. Today we're going to do a product review of the new ResMed mask, Swift FX Nano. This is the latest mask that's come out with just been a couple of months. It's very similar to the old Swift FX nasal pillow mask, but there's a little bit of different nuances and a little bit more of improvements that I think are making this mask a tad different, but then also much better and much more improved. So we'll kind of get into that here in a little bit, and I'll show you kind of the differences. The main difference of this mask is going to be that it is covers the full nose. Instead of being a pillow mask that just goes right up to your nostrils, this covers the full circumference of your nose. Now, it's made of the same silicone material and has the same swivel elbow and a very similar frame to the Swift FX, but a little bit of differences here and there, and I'll kind of show you a little bit more. Now, the really cool part about this mask is that it does cover the full nose, and as you can see, though, if I pull the cushion around from side to side, I still have constant contact with the full silicone seal. This mask is very similar to Philips Respironics Wisp mask, but it has a little bit of different types of material and a little different types of setup. So as you can see with this one, it has the silicone frame, but then has the fabric veneer fabric covering of the frame, which with some of the other models of the Philips Respironics Wisp does have and didn't have. I know one of the big things that Philips Respironics had when they first brought out the Wisp was that the clips on the side of the frame kept breaking. Well, since then they've reinforced them, and they've been much better, but still customers are having just a little bit of issues getting everything clipped in. This is always very easy with this mask because it's just pulling it right up over the face. Same way with putting it back on, getting it set up, and just pulling it right over the head, and just making sure that there's a nice constant seal. Now, this mask is very loose, and that's the way it's meant to be worn. So when you actually do turn your machine on and you have a good constant pressure, this mask will inflate a little bit and have a good constant seal. So then, like I said, when the pressure's on and you're moving or sleeping around within your mask, it has a good constant seal all the way around your nose. So this mask has been rated for having a higher pressure tolerance. So the old Swift FX with the nasal pillows had about a pressure tolerance of about 14 centimeters of water pressure, which was still pretty high, but that's probably what we saw that it could tolerate the best. This one, we've cranked all the way up to 20 and have had a really good seal all the way around, so this will handle the much higher pressure. These are the two different parts of the frame. This is the Nano, this is the Swift FX. And by looking at them, you can switch out the cushions. So if you have the Swift FX nasal pillows and it's not quite working out for you, you can transition and have this Swift Nano cushion. And let me kind of show you where the differences are. Or not really necessarily differences, but how the two are going to work out simultaneously. So this is kind of what the angle is of if you were putting this mask on. Both these cushions have that same little cutout right here that matches up, that shows you can only put the cushion on the right way versus flip-flopping it and putting it on upside down. So that kind of helps you line up with the actual frame, while the other side doesn't have that notch cutout. So these two cushions are interchangeable with the frames itself and the headgear. Now this is a little bit of a nice close-up that shows you the differences on the sides of the headgear. Here's that little notch right there that shows you to line up the left side of the cushion with the left side of the frame, and then here's the other one without the notch. So these frames, whether it's a Swift FX, FX frame, are the exact same, and they can be very much interchangeable. Now, unlike the Swift FX, where it comes with the small, medium, and large pillow cushion when you purchase this mask, this Swift FX Nano does not. It only comes in 3 sizes: standard, wide, and then the women's, which is Swift FX Nano for her, which comes in a petite. So you don't get all the cushions in the same package. You have to specifically buy each one individually if you need to. So each mask only comes with just one cushion, very similar to the Mirage FX. So the standard, kind of the one size fits all, and then you do have the wide, and then for her comes in a petite cushion. So if you're a male and you need a smaller cushion, you could just buy the petite for her cushion and interchange it onto this Swift FX Nano mask. So, but just like the Swift FX, it comes apart and cleans very similar, the exact same way that the Swift FX does. So this has been a very nice, new, and improved mask from ResMed that we're going to see a lot of patients really enjoying and really seeing a huge added benefit for this. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any more additional questions, you can visit our website at sleeprightsolutions.com. You can give us a call at 1-855-933-0806 if you have any additional questions. Hopefully this video was also helpful for you, and if you would, please go below in the video box and like it, and also subscribe to our channel. Can't talk today, but thanks for watching. Hopefully see you soon.